The ZZI Oscillator, which is a specialized trading tool, is offered for a variety of different platforms on the TradingFinder website. Users who are interested in utilizing this indicator can easily download the indicator file for both MetaTrader 4 as well as MetaTrader 5 platforms directly from this section of the website. Furthermore, to gain a comprehensive understanding of how the indicator functions and operates in real trading scenarios, users are encouraged to refer to and carefully review the detailed information provided on this page. From the Navigator section, we select the indicator file, and by dragging the file onto the chart, we run the indicator. Once the indicator is running on the chart, an oscillator panel is displayed at the bottom of the chart. The ZZI Indicator is an advanced and enhanced version of the ZZI Indicator, which displays both overbought and oversold zones directly on the chart. To better visualize the corrections, here I slightly adjust the level sizes from the color section, set the overbought zone color to a shade of blue, and choose a line thickness of 2 for the overbought lines, making these levels more noticeable. Here, we can clearly see that the oscillator line is displayed in a brown color, the oversold zone is shown in red, and the overbought zone is indicated in blue. When the oscillator line gradually approaches the oversold zone on the chart, it typically indicates significant selling pressure in the market, suggesting sellers are dominating the price action. When the oscillator line exits the oversold zone, this movement can be interpreted as a trading signal, which traders often use as an opportunity to enter a buy position, anticipating a possible reversal or upward movement in price. After this, we may observe the overall trend of the asset begin to change direction. When the oscillator line moves upward from the overbought zone, it is generally seen as an indication of increasing buying strength and buying pressure, which in this case causes the price to move upward as buyers take control. Conversely, when the oscillator line exits the overbought zone and starts to move downward, this can be used as an opportunity to enter a sell trade, allowing traders to take a position in the market that benefits from a potential downward price movement. In the settings section of the indicator, under the Input tab, there is only one parameter available for adjustment, where we can specify the calculation period length for the Commodity Channel Index, or CCI, indicator. By default, this period length is set to 14, but it can be changed according to the trader's preference or strategy. Additionally, in the Colors section of the settings, users can customize and set the colors of the indicator lines and zones as desired, allowing for a more personalized and visually clear charting experience. Well friends, we've reached the end of this indicator tutorial. We'd be happy if you share your comments and suggestions with us in the comments section.